For the 2026-27 tax year, HMRC have asked most individual tax filers with a combined business turnover of £50,000 or above to file their taxes using MTD for IT. If this includes you or any of your clients if you are a tax agent, then Ftax is here to help with its low-cost, easy-to-use solution. Ftax MTD for IT provides everything you need to comply with HMRC regulations and to file tax returns on time. Making tax digital for income tax, or MTD for IT, is different from traditional self-assessment tax filing in that quarterly incomes and expenses updates need to be submitted during the tax year. A quarterly update is required for each self-employment, for income from UK properties, and for any foreign property income. A full tax return also needs to be submitted by the following 31st of January. Income and expenses totals must be submitted every quarter, but the tax calculation must be made using all transactions back to the beginning of the tax year, giving a running total. This is different to VAT filing, when only transactions with dates within that quarter are used. For the 2026-27 tax year, the first quarterly update must be submitted between the end of the first quarter at the beginning of July and the 5th of August. When successfully made, the form will prompt you to check the tax liability as it stands to date. The quarterly update form may be populated in an MTD-compliant manner in one of two ways: a CSV file or an import from the Ftax cashbook. Only one Ftax cashbook credit is needed per tax filer per tax year, however many businesses that tax filer has. A CSV file containing incomes and expenses data may be imported. This data must conform to a spreadsheet template which we will provide. The Ftax Cashbook 26-27 will be able to transfer data to be imported into the quarterly update form. The end-of-year tax return form can be filled in at any time, but may only be completed after all 4 quarterly updates have been made. Note that, unlike with the traditional tax return, the data entered is being saved to HMRC as you go. When complete, and you have checked the tax calculation HMRC make for you, then you can click to send the final declaration. The deadline for this will be January the 31st, 2028, the same as the deadline for the traditional self-assessment tax return.